Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
If they go to TradeMonster, they can see everything that the discount brokerage site is about. They trade options for 50 cents and stocks, and stocks for $7.50. And that's a flat fee for the stocks. The options are per option, but when you're doing multi-leg spreads and things, there are discounts on that. But if they went there and signed up on TradeMonster, they can make use of all the educational stuff, take a look at all the different screens, set up their own watch lists, all that fun stuff, and they have 30 days to fund their account. If they don't fund their account, then eventually we shut them off. But they can fund an account with as little as, I think, what is it? Is it $2,500 or $2,000 for options? And I think 500 for stocks. But I don't work on that side. We have to keep sort of I'll call it a Chinese wall between what Pete and Guy Adami and I do for TradeMonster for Option Monster versus what the brokerage side does for TradeMonster. But if anybody that's on the call wants and sends, let me see, I'll put it here. Let me see. And I'll put it in a different color too. How about that? If they send an email to Mike B at Option Monster, we'll give them a free week of our blog.
Wow, that's right. I'm sure people would really appreciate that.
I'll just ask them, Stephen, to put Stephen's name, S-T-E-V, Steve or I-S-E, in the subject line.
Yeah, that's perfect. It's perfect.
And no credit cards or anything. We'll just we'll send you a free password and username to go in and get all the stuff that we're blogging about throughout the day.
Sounds great. John, I think we got to go here. I really want to thank you as you gave us some great information about your business and the markets in general, the way you look at it. I know you, as you said, I've been trading for almost as long as you have, and things have changed quite a bit, but taking your expertise and making it easy for investors to use and the education that you guys are offering, I think that's tremendous. That's what I try to do at the ISE. I want to say thank you. I really appreciate it.
Sure. Well, thank you, and thanks, everybody, for tuning in. I appreciate it, Steve, and I look forward to doing these again with you.
Absolutely, John. Thanks so much on the behalf of the International Securities Exchange. This is Steve Meisinger saying have a safe trading day tomorrow. Thanks again, John Najarian, and definitely we'll have you back sometime in the future. Good night, everyone. Take care.
Good night.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts.